so it's really foggy. So I will give you a tour sa bagong kotse namin. So I said, when we purchase something, we don't buy the cheapest, and then we don't also buy the most expensive. So yung kaya lang natin, na hindi naman tayo mamumulubi. So we bought, there are only how many cars of this running in Portugal?
This specific model, they only make 50.
50 in
Portugal.
In Portugal. Hi guys, good morning. So today, hatid natin si Bea. It's 8:27. Hatid namin si Bea sa school. Yeah, hi. Hi, Papa. Beatrice? Oh, walang hi. So, napaka-foggy. Kasi for the past days, kita nyo yung visibility. For the past days kasi, mainit. It's warm. Nasa 23 degrees. But now, medyo malamig. Malamig na naman kasi February pa nga. So, napaka-foggy ng morning natin. Kasi change temperature na naman. So, ayan. Ito yung bundok. Hindi makikita yung bundok. So, ganito po dito sa amin. Pag nag-change ang temperature, foggy. So, ayan. Dati, nung gusto ko tong ganito, yung foggy. Parang ang sarap na feeling every morning when you woke up, na foggy siya. So, ayan. Ganito yung natin dito. Maganda siya. Maganda yung feeling. Parang napaka-refreshing. Kita yung bundok dito ngayon.
That's a waterfall.
Yes, it's foggy, baby.
That's a ball.
So yan, hati natin si Bea sa school. Yung travel namin ay mga 15 minutes. So mag 8:45 nandun na kami sa school niya. Nasa city kasi siyang school ni Beatrice. Dito mas dito, the fog here is thicker because we are in the river area pa ba? Lower yan, kasi mas thick ang river mas thick ang fog dito. So, always don't forget to turn on your fog light. Napaka-thick ng fog, oh. Ilang meters lang yung visibility. Yan, hindi mo talaga kita.
What's that? It's okay.
It's a car.
Just a car.
It's thicker here, the fog. This one is the same too. Just me, you have to understand them.
You don't have light. You see now because of the brake lights, but the lights are not off. This is why this is working when it's dark. It's fucking thick.
It's so foggy in your school, Beatrice. Very foggy. Look at that. Wala kang makikita. Yes, the visibility is so near. It's only how many meters away?
I cannot see the bridge.
Yeah.
You still see it.
Yeah, you cannot see the bridge. It's too foggy.
Oh, really?
Mm-mm.
Cannot see the bridge.
Yeah, of course. It's foggy, Beatrice. This is the foggy trip. Foggy day.
It's not heavy fog, but it's fog. That's why it is where they shut down the lights on your car. It's nice to do.
Oh, that would be silly.
And especially not just electronics, because electronics detect when it's dark, but it can detect when it's foggy.
Yeah, super dependent on the...
When you go there to the switch down at downtown, nothing fancy. Thank you.
You can see, no? You can see the car.
I imagine it's really dark at night. And someone is at down lights, nothing working. But the car can see. They see that I'm going too far down. It's really strict. It really wants you to stick in there. Too much there, too much there.
So, ayan. Since wala naman kayong makikita dito, sa dahil foggy nga, you are approaching the city pero wala kang makikita. Look at that. Ayan, parang wala lang. Walang existing na mga kahoy. Ayan, yan. So, it's really foggy. So, I will give you a tour sa bagong kotse namin. Yeah. So, we've got, so let's see. So I said, when we purchase something, we don't buy the cheapest, and then we don't also buy the most expensive. So yung kaya lang natin, na hindi naman tayo mamumulubi. So we bought Mitsubishi Colt Launch Edition. So the price of that, the base price, we paid 1,000 for the administration na nag-process ng lahat ng papers, and then we also paid 4,000 for tax. So i-add nyo na lang, basic 4,000 tax plus na 1,000 na binayad namin for administration doon sa binilhan namin ng sasakyan. So ayan, so we've got here, meron tayo ditong, yan, ito yung launch edition. Madami yan nakalagay dyan sa gilid. So this car is in collaboration with Renault. So yung iba kayo makikita nyo, parang pareho siya sa style sa Renault. So it has only a big name at the back of Mitsubishi. So everything, ano na siya, accompanied by digital na din, electronics, even doon sa base. Tapos this good thing of here is may assistance. So when you are out of line, for example ganyan, tapos pag nalabas ka, my husband says that it also make the steering wheel heavy, no? To bring you back.
It depends how far you are.
To bring you back
Then
in
it'll pull you
line.
to the other side.
And then may assistance din siya going uphill. You don't need it's ambulance. That's the ambulance. So we're approaching the city, pero wala talaga kayong makikita dito. Yan mo, sobrang foggy. From our house until here is really foggy. So ganyan. So everything na siya, ito connected na lahat, yung phone, yung ano natin. So yeah, then my husband feels comfortable with this, and then for the safety also ng driving, kasi ang daming mga ano niya, safety na features. Tapos yon. So far we are driving this already for 1 month na pa, no?
Yeah, nice.
1 month na. So far we are happy for the car. It's Benz. So ayan. So it's a bit traffic, napaka-foggy kasi.
No. Gigantic city like Arosa.
Traffic na yan dito. Pag may 10 sasakyan, traffic na po yan dito. Ganyan din dito traffic sa amin. Traffic na tawag namin dyan. So, traffic even though it's moving, whereas it's only traffic. Unlike in Philippines, 2 hours sometimes nandun ka pa rin sa same site. When I was in Philippines, kasi medyo hindi pa yung mga road doon by that time. So, ayan. So, yeah. If you have, we will make, and then that's the back there with Beatrice. So, ito naman is for our dito talaga ang purpose namin ng pabili ng sasakyan is for the safety. At saka, di ba, may sa kanya din para comfortable siya sa pag-drive. So, yung sasakyan namin, bibenta na namin yon. Tapos, yeah, because it's still in running condition pa naman yung isa. Maganda pa naman yun. Bumili lang kami para lang sa safety ng pagdala namin kay Beatrice everyday sa school. Yun ang pinaka-purpose din namin. Tapos, yeah. So far so good naman. And we are happy for the purchase, for the price, and for the comfortability.
Especially the safety.
Yes. Oo.
Safety.
Ang daming features na magandang features. For the price, ang daming niyang magagandang features. So, yeah. Sometimes the car is not really the brand that you are because yung asawa ko hindi mo na yan, my husband, you cannot already fool him when it comes to cars. Alam niya halos lahat ng mga sasakyan. So, ayan. Andito na tayo. And it's foggy. It's only 42. We will ask my husband how's his driving so far with this car.
Very good, actually.
Very good.
Very good.
What?
It helps a lot. It has many features that are helping me a lot.
Stop it.
Yeah, kasi minsan nag-out of range doon sa. And then you have also here what are more the things here. There are so many features na magaganda kasi syempre this is a 2024 na model. So, yeah.
The first BS in the glass place.
The first na collaboration of Renault and Mitsubishi. So, yeah. There are only how many cars of this running in Portugal?
This specific model, they only make 50.
50 in
For Portugal.
In Portugal. We
The
only have.
rest of Europe, you can't have that.
Yes. This is made for Portugal, the launch edition. So, ayan. So, yeah. Ano pa ba? And then, when it comes to gasoline, it's very
Efficient too.
efficient. Oo, when it comes to gasoline. So, for the size, kasi small family lang naman kami, we are only 3, so it's good enough for us. Especially,
The three of us.
yes, because especially from going here in the city, at saka, so, and then, going outside is also okay,
Yes,
kasi
very
ano
nice.
naman siya, hindi kami kumuha ng automatic. Supposedly, we order automatic pero we change our mind dahil nga sa maintenance ng automatic after 5 years noon. So, it's a bit pricey. So, we change our mind. Actually, na-order na yon and we change our mind. We go back to manual. So, yeah, sa Philippines, I drove manual po yung license ko. Manual po yung pag-drive ko.
In my whole life too.
Yes. And sa, pa ako nag-drive ha, sa Pasigan. So, imagine the traffic in Pasig going to Robinsons dyan. So, yeah. So, we're going to put Beatrice na sa school niya.
Okay.